Man, what is the good word?
Hey, Jamie, how are you?
Well, doing well, but what I want to know is what is the BizTini of the week?
All right, let's talk about it. Well, I wanted to do a classic cocktail, but my take on it. And I'm doing a Blood and Sand, and that's a cocktail that was back in the 30s. It was made, named after Rudolph Valentino's bullfighting movie called Blood and Sand.
Okay.
And it's made with blood orange juice, scotch, fortified wine, and my change on it is I put habanero bitters in there. Make it a little bit different.
Okay,
Yeah.
I like that. I love spice, so
Right.
you got me.
And scotch, most of the time people just take an ice cube and do their scotch.
Sure.
But we wanted to do something different, and you can have a cocktail with it, because you can drink it in cocktails if you know the right way to do it.
Sure.
All right, so let's go for it. So we're going to take our scotch, which is a American scotch that's made in Washington State.
Okay.
And it's put in American oak barrels. Now they say the Washington State climate is the closest to the highlands that it can get because of all the ocean and things that go at it, the closest to Scotland.
Oh, okay.
And it's made with American barley, and it's a single malt. So let's give that a try in there.
Excellent. Okay, very good. Interesting.
All right, so we're putting a shot in there.
Okay.
Right? Then we're going to move on to our Antica. Antica is an Italian vermouth, fortified wine, and it's got heavy in cherry, raisin, mint, vanilla, and it adds a nice little take, smoothing things out with scotch on here.
Okay.
Okay?
All right. Sounds good so far.
Antica. Now, what my little take is the difference is the Bitterman's habanero bitters is what I use.
Okay.
So I use a little bit of that because you want to have some good flavor at the hot, but you don't want to be overpowered on the hot. Okay. So our last thing we add in is the blood, which would be the blood orange juice. Now you want to use a good blood orange juice. You don't want to use anything out of a can. You get a fresh one or squeeze your own if you're inclined to do that.
So what would you say the difference between like a regular orange and a blood orange, other than the color, obviously?
Color,
but
yes.
Like, yeah, what?
Well,
what's
it's interesting. The blood orange is going to be a little sweet, but it's going to be a little bit tangier too. It's got that's its game in orange juice.
Okay.
Sometimes I think orange juice is just kind of like that, Yeah. This is great, and it helps with the scotch as well. Bringing it all together, and now we shake. And I always say shake vigorously.
Okay. I like it.
It's a beautiful drink, and I think all the flavors really come together with it. There we go. And then you want to top it off with a little bit of orange peel. And when you do this, it's when you get all the juices out, the oils come out when you twist it like
Yes.
that.
Okay.
And then you want to. And there you go.
Oh, beautiful.
Arita caliente.
Hey.
Enjoy. Good.
Wow,
You
man,
like that?
that is excellent.
I know how much you like
Oh
it.
no, I really do. And you know what I like too about it being shaken like that is just the baby shards of the cool ice, and you taste it. Oh,
Yeah, you want to have that